Model, 60-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 85PS 280 short wheelbase, low roof, super clean and very low miles, simple fixed trader margin grin. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 56,214. Engine, 2,198 cc TDCI 85 phosphorus monosulfide DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing, engine is 100% fine and all good. Can't find transit with these type of miles anymore, open mouth smile. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074